Hello and welcome back. So now we are at the last section of our uh, tutorial, and here we are going to wrap up and the next step what you need to do. So as I mentioned in my previous chapter that you need to focus on those four key domains. You need to go through the core concept as well as all the assignment and exercise. Make sure you do all the exercise that are there in Microsoft Learning, as well as do not forget to check my DP700 practice test. I'm going to share the link here also. Make sure you go through, subscribe to that, and at least just before the exam you should check your knowledge, and then if you think you are lacking in some area, you go back and work on those part. And of course, very important, very important, you should do some Power BI hands-on and do not rely on just the theory part. That will going to help you in the exam. So that conclude this section. I would highly recommend to go through all the checks I mentioned in my previous slide, and I will also appreciate if you share the feedback and review how you like my course. This course is created to get you familiar with what kind of questions there, and also introduce the DP700 practice test, as well as what are the areas you need to focus. Of course, in my coming tutorials I am going to add more detail and in-depth topics and with demo exercises. I hope you like my video. Please give me a thumbs up and please share your comment. That will be very valuable to improve my courses. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best for your certification. Thank you.